How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to go over our agonist as well as our synergist muscles for our core patterns. Horizontal push, horizontal pull, vertical push, vertical pull, our squat, our hinge, unilateral, and jumps. Horizontal push. Agonist is going to be your chest, synergist, triceps, and some of your anterior deltoid. Horizontal pull. Your agonist. It's going to be your lats, posterior delt, your synergist, biceps, and middle traps. Vertical push. Agonist is going to be your anterior, lateral deltoid, synergist, triceps, upper and lower traps, and serratus anterior. Vertical pull. Agonist, lats, synergist, biceps, and rhomboids. Now the squat. So to determine which muscles are being used in the squat, you can use your shin angle or shins as a reference point. So the more forward your shins go, agonist will be the quads. The more vertical your shins go, agonist will be the glutes. And your synergist will be your adductor muscles. So your hinge, agonist is going to be the glutes, synergist, hamstrings. So now going over unilateral. So just like the squat, we can use our shin angle or shins as a reference point to determine which muscles are being used. So forward lunge, quads. Reverse lunge, your glutes. Now jumps. To get in position, just like a squat, but it's a quarter squat. You're going to feel it in your quads as well as your glutes.